I am Dr. T. Srilata, Assistant Professor of Botany, Pingle Government Degree College, Vaddapelli, Warangal. Today we discuss about economical importance of algae. So, we coming to the algae they are autophytes. They contains chlorophyll cells, so they participate in the photosynthesis and they prepare their own food. So the algae belongs to Thallophyta. The plant body is thallus, so they belongs to Thallophyta. So primary producers. So here the algae contains chlorophyll cells, so they participate in the photosynthesis and they prepare their own food. So algae as primary producers. Next, coming to the second economic importance of algae as food. So here the algae, Chlorophyceae algae, example Chlorophyceae algae, chlorella. So they are very rich in vitamins, minerals and lipids. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and E, lipids and minerals. So they are rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals and lipids. So so many countries are used as food, especially in Japan. Algae used as salads, soups, vegetable greeny leaves for vegetable cooking items. So they are mostly, especially in Japan, the algae used as food. So these are all food products. So next, coming to the source of iodine. So here the algae rich in iodine. So many algae are rich in iodine. So the iodine, we lost the iodine. So the human beings causes goiter disease. So human being will causes goiter disease. So deficiency of iodine. So here the algae used as a food in deficiency of iodine. So next, antibiotic used as antibiotic and medicine. So here the chlorella algae, Chlorophyceae algae, chlorella algae. So chlorella algae. So this chlorella algae used as antibiotic. So next one, brown algae and Spirogyra also used in medicine. So next, algae in sewage disposable. So here sewage requires oxygen and oxygen is the brought up the algal members of the Chlamydomonas and Chlorophyceae family algae. So next, algae as fertilizers. So here algae as fertilizers. So here the Chlorophyceae so many algae Chlorophyceae algae contains potassium, potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. So these are all elements present in the algae. So the algae used as fertilizers. So Kara is used as overcome calcium deficiency in the fields. So Kara, the common name is stonewort. So the Kara cell wall is made up by calcium carbonate. So the Kara used as calcium deficiency in the fields. Next, fucus used as manure. So next one, algae in land reclamation. So here algae help in reducing the pH of alkaline soils. So here the pH soils, so alkaline soils, so the plants are not suitable to the angiosperms and normal plants. So the alkaline soils are not suitable to the normal plants. So here the algae help in reducing the pH of alkaline soils and water, and helps to water holding capacity. So next, coming to the use of algae in diatomite. So diatomite. So here diatomite. So diatoms. So the dead diatoms, the fossil diatoms are called diatomite. So diatomite. So the fossil diatoms, the dead diatoms are called diatomite. So here this diatomite used in so many factories like car paints, water roof insulation, wall installation, so many cosmetics, and so many soaps and so many bath products. So next, agar agar. So here very expensive product this is agar agar. So here Gracilaria they produces agar agar. So here the jelly, it is one of the jelly that is called agar agar. So it is used in tissue culture. So it is used in medium and tissue culture, and the tissues are grown on the medium culture. So very important into the used as a tissue culture. So this is Gracilaria. So it is used as agar, used in micro. So it is used and MS medium, so culture medium, and for tissue culture. So next, coming to the nitrogen fixation. So role in nitrogen fixation. So here Cyanophyceae algae. So Cyanophyceae algae, the Cyanophyceae algae helps to absorb the nitrogen from atmosphere, nitrates from the atmosphere, and they can change into nitrogen, and it gives to the fields. So here they fixed into nitrogen fixation. So here the rice fields, especially in rice fields. The cyanophyceae algae very role in rice fields. So rice fields were inoculated by nitrogen fixation. So next, source of minerals. So here the minerals, see here seaweeds are rich in source of minerals, zinc, copper, manganese, and boron, etc. So the source of minerals, so the seaweeds also used as fertilizers. So the seaweeds are contains rich contain iron, zinc, sulfur, manganese, and boron. So the seaweeds also used as fertilizers because of very rich in minerals. So here used as algae. So here the Phaeophyceae algae contain algae. So the cell wall, the Phaeophyceae algae cell wall was made up by alginic acid and fusitin. So so these Phaeophyceae algae used as pharmaceutical products and ice creams factories. So this is brown algae, and it is used also natural and synthetic rubbers. So harmful aspects of algae. So here the algae so coming to the water blooms. So here coming to the water blooms. So here the Chlorophyceae algae, Cyanophyceae algae. So here the Nostoc, Anabina, Chlorella. So these are all algae. They forms as water blooms. So here why they forming water blooms? Because so here the nutrients. So here the nutrients in the fields are anywhere the nutrients coming into the water, from enter into the rainwater, coming from the rainwater and enter into the ponds or lakes, and so that nutrients absorb the algae and they develops into more and more. So they forms like blooms. So they are called water blooms. So this is so these water blooms. So here the water blooms, so the deplete the oxygen contents. So they decreasing the oxygen contents. So underground the plants or underground the any animals, aquatic animals, they will dead. So because of the less oxygen. So the water blooms cover to the total water surface. So the oxygen did not enter into the underground of the lakes, ponds. So the aquatic animals, so the aquatic animals are they did not observe the oxygen properly, so the aquatic animals will dead. Water blooms. So next, coming to the death to living organisms. So here some algae produces some poisonous products. So some poisonous products. So the aquatic animals absorb the this poisonous products. So so many aquatic animals like fish, frogs, etc. So many animals becoming dead. So next, second diagram, we can see eutrophication process. It is 5 stages. Next, disease in human beings. So the algae causes disease also. So the algae causes stomach pain. So stomach pain in human beings, and some algae in responsible for respiratory system also. Next, skin disease and other algae causes allergies also. Parasitic activities. So here some algae are like parasites. Parasitic means they depended on the living organisms, plants and or animals. So some algae living on the plants and animals as parasites, so they caused diseases. Most of the rhodophysi algae like parasites. So this is the economic importance of algae. Thank you.